Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a LinkedIn company page. So first is you have to open any web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out LinkedIn and then make sure you have logged into your account or sign up for an account. So right here, you will then just have to click on this option for business. So just click on it, and once you're done, you will then just have to select create a company page. So here you can create a company page, showcase page, and then educational institution. So you just have to select this company option. And then right here, you just have to add your organization name. So like that. And below you'd be able to see here your linkedin.com/company. And then right here, you will then just have to type out your industry, example, information services. And for the organization size, you have to select one of this, okay? And then for the organization type, you have to select the type, for example, privately held. And here for the logo, you can choose file. So just simply click on it and then click on that file or image. And here for your tagline, for example, an information services and etc. or a sample tagline. Okay, so you just have to type out right here sample tagline. And then once you're done, just have to click on this box right here, verifying that you are an authorized representative of this organization, and just click on create page. So right here, you already have your page. So you have here today's action options right here. And you can also see the analytics for your page and for the post ideas as well. So if you want to make any edits, you can do that right here. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.